Hello, I'm Ted Jones, MarineMax in Stuart. We're here aboard a brand new 32 Boston Whaler Vantage dual console. What an incredible boat. You can see up in the front has a big area for seating or for fishing. The cushions are not there at the moment, but they're very comfortable with installed. The cockpit of this boat is amazing. Huge cockpit with plenty of room in it. The helm area, absolutely awesome, configured with Marine GPS fish finder along with a stereo VHF and Mercury joystick. There's a huge storage compartment behind the console, a little difficult to see in the video. This boat has the helm seat that flips up and down as a bolster, so you can stand and lean against it or sit in it comfortably and drive it with the armrest down. Boat is configured with a very nice sink area along with a grill. Boat has a great live well in it. It can also be a garbage can or a cooler if you're not a fisherman. Dive door is a fantastic setup. Twin Mercury 4-stroke outboards, fantastic power, fantastic fuel economy. Boat does have a big folding rear seat that I have folded up at the moment. You can see this sun lounger setup. Now this sun lounger is very unique because it adjusts into multiple positions. You can change the setting for the seat and sit in it multiple different ways, give you all kinds of comfort from that perspective. Boat has a very large head compartment in it, a little difficult to see in the video. All right, for more information on this boat or to get out for a ride, please feel free to call me. My name is Ted Jones, MarineMax Stuart, 772-263-6743. Thank you for your time.